Today we'll see a healthy sweetener, a product called Healthy Sugar Substitute. Hello, Namaste. How are you all? आप कैसे हो? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you again. This is one of the products that I have recently purchased on cred stores. There are many offers on cred stores. If you're a first-time user of cred stores, use the link in my description box to log in. Cred app. Now this product is all about an organic healthy sugar substitute. That means instead of sugar, we can use this product in our dishes or cuisines for a healthy living. You know, using sugar has many serious consequences on our health. For instance, most of the people face obesity problem because of this, and obesity is the root cause of all sicknesses. But what to do after listening all this health issues? Also, we love to have some sweet to fulfill our sweet cravings at the end of the day. So we have got a better option from Organic India to fulfill our sweet cravings. A healthy sugar substitute. This has no chemical additives and it's made from organic certified sugar cane. It naturally has got iron, vitamins and minerals. It's nutritious and promotes health compared to regular processed sugar and artificial sweeteners. This Organic India product is certified by USOCA, so you can happily use it. The quality is good. In the later part of the video, I'll show you in what sweet dishes I have used this. Now we'll get into actual unboxing video. This is organic jaggery powder. Have purchased it for 50 rupees, 500 grams on offer at cred stores. But the MRP here is 92 rupees, 500 grams. You've got 1 year expiry from the date of packing. Free delivery also is available on cred stores. The packing was good as you see in the picture. And there was a prompt delivery from cred. Now we'll see how this sugar substitute powder looks like. It's golden brown color. Please don't mistake with the jaggery that we use regularly, because that is different and this is different. This has got different sweet flavor and it's more tastier than the regular jaggery we use. But then the only drawback you've got is it has got less sweetness than regular jaggery or sugar. So you've got to use more quantity to make your dishes sweet. Do store it in a dry place. I've tried this in 2 dishes. One is in rice pudding and the other to make coconut laddu. But the laddu's taste was like authentic Chennai halwa, to be honest. So do relish the sweet flavors of Organic India happily with all health. So have an organic sweet flavors day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies One. If you've got any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Do encourage me with your subscribe. Have a good time. Keep smiling.